Right now, he's calling you. He is calling you. Don't run away. Don't run away. He's calling you. Oh, bodo do koskis da kaskasala de. Oh, bade de kaskasala bade. It's so beautiful what God is doing. The Holy Spirit is so real. I would say it just becomes stronger and stronger. We have seen whole family change. We have seen people receive the Holy Spirit like this guy. God is calling him. God is calling people. I would say, I just see together with attacks, we're going through a lot of attacks. Together with that, the presence of God just becomes stronger and stronger. The Holy Spirit works more and more. We have seen so many people baptized with the Holy Spirit like today, here, whole families. It's beautiful. I just want to encourage you. There's nothing like the presence of God. There's nothing like walking in purity, walking in love, walking with the Holy Spirit, and finish walking that race God has for you. And want to encourage you, but there was a reason Jesus says it's the best for you that I go away, because he could send his help, he could send his Holy Spirit. The presence of the Holy Spirit is here. The Holy Spirit should be in our life. We need to walk by the Spirit. In Book of Acts, you read that the Holy Spirit and the Holy Spirit said, appoint those people and send them out. The Holy Spirit even hindered them from going different places. The Holy Spirit was so much part of the early church, and the Holy Spirit should be so much part of our life. And yes, it's not emotion like that. It's deeper than emotion. It's God. It's the presence of God, the presence of the Holy Spirit.